How to clean up mold on upholstery and carpet. Before you begin the cleaning process, you need to gather all the right materials for the job. Items essential to effectively cleaning mold and mildew from upholstery and carpet include a sunny, well-ventilated area, gloves, mask or respirator, pants and long sleeves, broom, vacuum with filter, white vinegar, water, rubbing alcohol. Procedure to clean mold and mildew from upholstery and carpet. Prepare to remove the mold and mildew from your upholstery or carpet by dressing in long sleeves and pants you don't mind throwing away after cleaning the upholstery. Put on goggles, gloves, and a mask to prevent inhaling mold spores. To clean mold and mildew from upholstery, follow these steps in a well-ventilated area. Take the item outside and into direct sunlight because sunlight kills the mold and prevents it from spreading through the house as you clean the carpet and upholstery. Sweep any visible mold off the fabric with a broom, but don't sweep unaffected areas as this can spread the mold. Using a vacuum with a filter, use the brush attachment and vacuum clean the upholstery. When you finish vacuuming the upholstery, empty the vacuum canister or discard the vacuum bag to prevent the spread of mold spores back into the air. To remove a large quantity of mold from upholstery, mix mild soap or detergent and water until it's full of suds, then wipe only the suds onto the upholstery and rub thoroughly into the fabric. Follow by wiping the area with a clean, damp cloth to remove the soap. Allow the item to sit in direct sunlight for several hours to ensure elimination of the mold and mildew. Once the item has dried, examine it for mold and check for mildew smell, and if any remains, spot treat the affected areas with equal parts water and rubbing alcohol in a cleaning solution. If you don't want to use rubbing alcohol, use equal parts water and white vinegar, spray the fabric and let dry in direct sunlight. If you're uncertain about using any cleaning solution on your furniture or carpet, it's better to let Singapore Carpet Cleaning Private Limited professionally clean your carpet and upholstery in Singapore.